Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can use this app to spot out legit arbitrage. So we are going to do the analysis together. I'm going to pick a particular coin here and test it out first to show you how it is being done, okay, to see if that arbitrage is okay or it will make you profit. So after testing all these things and you find out that the arbitrage is profitable, you can now jump in with your real money. But in this case, I'm going to guide you so that you will be familiar with these websites. Without wasting much of your time, welcome to Crypto's era where I talk about everything crypto. All what you need to do is subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay. We are going to click on this place you see tools. You click on tools. This is once you click on tools, you are going to click on arbitrage. The first one, you click on the arbitrage. So once you click on arbitrage, these are exchanges that they are actually operating on, that they are actually monitoring. So what we are going to do is we are not going to operate on all the exchanges yet because some of them are not that trustworthy. So we are going to go with the one that we are familiar with, that the one that is trustworthy. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do is to come down here, clear all exchanges. Once you click on the clear all exchanges, you select those ones that are best known to us, that we are familiar with. We click on Binance here, BingX, Bybit, Bitmart. This is Bybit. The other one was Bitget. And we come down here, Coinbase. No, I don't actually use Coinbase, but it is trustworthy. Okay. So come down and look for where is Gate and Mexi. Okay. Please get the Mexi, KuCoin. And they are also offer dex exchanges arbitrage like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and the rest. So I will actually test it one day. If it works, I will come here and drop it for you guys to also see it. Okay, how many exchanges have we selected so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. So what we are going to do after that, we are going to select the pair we actually want to use. So the best currency actually. So I have selected USD and BTC. Mind you, USD is the same thing as USDT. So that is, I have selected it, and I'll make sure that you select minimum arbitrage percentage, which should be from 2% and above. Okay. After that, you insert these letters you are seeing here in the box provided. Okay. So and click on submit. This is the available arbitrage opportunity here. You are going to buy on BingX and sell it on Bitget, but I'm not going to use BingX. So you can see the price on Bitmart here. Let me circle it for you to see. See the price of Bitmart here, 0.5218 cents, and the price on BingX is 0.5208, which is actually low, but I want to use Bitmart and Bitget. The profit margin here is 4.21. You can see. So let's go to Bitmart to actually purchase the coin and sell it on Bitget. On Bitmart here, you can see the price here, and let's do this arbitrage with, let's say, $300. So with $300, we are going to receive this amount you are seeing here. So I will copy it, click on withdraw mantra. So this is the coin OM mantra. So we are going to click on it. The network is Ethereum here, and I would advise you, if you don't have enough capital, you need to stay away from Ethereum network. But if you have like from 250 or 300 up, you can actually engage in Ethereum arbitrage. Okay, so let's say we insert the amount we actually want to transfer to Bitget, and this is what we are going to receive: 563.5 OM or Mantra token. So let's go to Bitget. So on Bitget, if we actually put in the amount we will receive here, 563.5, we are going to make a profit of 5 USDT. So let's check if the network address is compatible. Let's So this is the coin OM, and both the Manstra network and the Ethereum network is actually suspended. So this is a no arbitrage for us. So since the network are not compatible, we are going to look for another opportunity. Okay, let's try this one, XEM. We are going to buy it very cheap on Bitmart and sell it on Bitget. Okay, so let's go and try it out. Let's say we want to buy 300 USDT worth of XEM, 300, and this is the amount we are going to get if we actually buy this XEM with 300 USDT. So let me copy it. After you purchase it, you come to assets here, look at this place, click on assets. Once you click on assets, it will take you to this interface where you're going to click on spot. You click on spot, that is, you select spot and click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal and you select the coin, the interface is going to pop up like this, where you are going to put the address, select the network and the amount. I think by now you people should know how to transfer coin or token from one exchange to another. So you select the network and put in the amount. The amount we will have with our 300 USD is was it 1777 T, right? We are going to receive this amount in our Bitget. We are going to receive 17,765. Okay, so let's go to our Bitget. So on Bitget here, look at the price on Bitget here. Look at the price on Bitget here actually. So this is the current market price on Bitget, and these are the people we are going to sell our coin to. They are all buyers. So let's insert our amount here. We will receive 17,765 XEM here. So 17,763. Is it true? This is what we are going to receive on our. So we will make, you can see we have made a profit of $7. So after testing this and you see that you have actually make profits, that is when you will jump into the arbitrage. You can see if we actually carry out this arbitrage with the sum of 300 USDT, we will be making $7 per trade. So after that, another thing you need to check out is go to asset and see if the network address are compatible. So let's click on add funds. You click on deposit crypto and wait for it to load up. Okay, once I have already searched for the coin here, you click on XEM. So this is the coin, and you see they are using the same network address. This XEM stands for name. So this is it. They are using the same network address. They are using the same network address. If you are doubting me, see it here. The same network address. So it is compatible. If you are doubting me, let's go to CoinMarketCap to actually clarify this. I'm going to search NEM to see the coin they are going to pop up here. You can see the coin here. You can see the coin and you can see the symbol here, XEM. So they are the same. See it here, see the symbol here, XEM, and see the name of the coin here. So on Bitmart, they use XEM in that place of network address. They use SAM as the name of the network address, and on Bitget they use NEM as the name of the network address. So it's compatible. The arbitrage is actually profitable and there is enough liquidity. If you are watching the video now, first of all, carry out a demo practice first before you jump in with your real cash, because it might happen that by the time I'm making this video, the profit is there, but maybe after some times you jump into the market to try it out and the opportunity is not there. Don't forget we are talking about arbitrage. So when it comes to arbitrage, the anything can happen. It is not guaranteed that the profit margin is still going to remain the same. Okay, do your research before you jump in. If you get any value from this video, do well to subscribe, like and share.